Hello viewers, how are you all? I hope you are all fine and happy and you are watching my YouTube channel Best on Amazon. First of all, please subscribe my channel for top product that is on Amazon. So now we start about our product, and the product name is Febreze Fade Defy Plug Air Freshener Pack of 4. Sold by Amazon.com. Transform your space with Febreze Odor-Fighting Fade Defy Plug Air Freshener. Enjoy long-lasting freshness with Fade Defy technology, lasting up to 50 days on low. Revitalize your senses with Refresh and Energize, featuring rejuvenating waters and zesty orange blossoms. Experience warmth and comfort with Soothe and Restore, blending shea butter and whipped warm sugar. Perfect for eliminating odors in bedrooms, kitchens, and hallways with ease. Includes 4 scented oil refills, 2 Refresh and Energize, and 2 Soothe and Restore. Create a soulful wonderland in your home with Febreze's delightful, restorative scents. Rated 4.6 stars. Order today for $17.29.
Product link is available in description, so click on that and buy your product.